back. Another day of Down South Drift Garage. Today is a special day. We been preparing for this one. It's our first event. We're making it. So we got the car all nut and bolt checked, got it all cleaned up. New brake caliper on there, all that good stuff for today. Got the truck all loaded up with stuff. We got a bunch of sets of tires for the day. Picked up some transportation while we're there. Got all the tools, jacks, everything we need. It's gonna be an exciting day. I'm excited. We got the whole team coming, whole crew coming out. Got a bunch of cool cars, bunch of stuff going on. Big event, clean culture, auto fest. Counting down the minutes. We're just packing up to get ready to go. Then we're headed out there to Lone Star Park, where they have a couple courses set up, and we're gonna go out there and just send it. We're just gonna go. We're gonna have a good old day. That's what today is about. Just having fun, getting seat time, getting actually out there. So see you guys when we get out there. We're gonna meet up with all the homies. And guys, so we made it to the event today. Urban Drift.
Finish line.
They got us 40 out here, S14. So we made it safely. His car didn't break. He trailered it in, obviously, so made it a little bit better. My car didn't break on the way here. My truck broke down one time on the way here. Once.
Serious?
Yeah, it broke like we just left my house and we were going to Sonic to get some food. And she was behind me, and then she was like, "Hey, the truck kind of just died on me." I was like, "All right, give me a second. I'm gonna turn around." Turned around.
Our straps came loose.
Your straps came loose.
Straps came loose on the fucking trailer.
Wow.
Look at this. This is like the worst trailer imaginable. These chains.
Nice. You had to double loop them. That's dope. Awesome. Well, we got tires. We got a bunch of people here. Waiting on Chandler. Waiting on Dorian.
Where's he gonna park at?
I can move the truck over a spot, or he'll park somewhere right here in this general area, like do the test today. You got anything to say to the people?
Hope I don't blow my engine again.
He said again. All right, guys, you heard it here first. We're blowing motors today. We're breaking parts.
That'll be the third time.
Be ready.
All the way in. You guys. Here we are, bro. We're here. Urban Drift. See what Oliver says.
Jesus Christ. That second run was better than my first one.
Second turn.